Okay, here we go. Where do you need it?
Just lift it up. Take it off.
Oh, it's coming off. Put it back down? Where's it going?
Just
Okay. Okie dokie. You taking it off for me? Or
no,
for you?
I got it. This won't go up with that in the way for whatever reason.
All right. So now what I'm going to do is that piping you asked me to do, and because we don't have a sample that's intact, I got to measure it out. And I'm going to use the old tape trick. All right. So you lay the tape out on the part. And it doesn't have to be super sticky. It's got to be in the space where the screws go. Because this is my pink dog, that tape is not going to lift. Ever. Even when Wendy hits it with the damn running board. Yeah, should have. So, last piece. Okay, so the old cars, when they bolted the fender like a Volkswagen, they put a piece of piping in there, right? It's sewn up from my upholstery shop, and this will be the gasket that goes between the fender and the body of the car. This is what's left from that whole length. Right here, it's wiped
Oh,
out.
that's my front one.
That's your front one, okay. But anyway, so what I need to do is I need to take a Sharpie, and I laid some tape out, and I'm gonna have a start and finish with the tape. It's gonna be the length of the material, and it's not critical that you get the ends right. It's critical that you get the center of the holes right, because you can always trim the end, right? So you're gonna mark on the tape where your screw positions are. So, because where your screws are, that's where you shall be. I don't want that one. I'm not sure if that's one. If it's not, I'll just mark it for the hell of it. It won't matter that it has a cut. One there. So we are right there. First one. That's the second one. That's the third one. Okay, got it. Now, tape stays in place. You don't move the tape. You just know where the holes are. Now you lay out your piping. And start marking the piping. One, two, three, four, five. Remember we said there might be one here, but I don't think there is one here, but nevertheless, 6, 7. Don't write on the car. 8. 9. That's plenty to go. So now I have all my spots that I need to make a relief in. Oh, what a relief. So right there, and we're gonna go just a little bit below the stitching because we don't want to cut the stitching. I'm gonna use a razor blade. The scissors at that end, they're too floppy there. I need to be way back here where it's hinged. So there's my cut. That'll go around the bolts. Here's my next cut. Can you see this? Yeah, here's my next cut. And just stop a little short. Here's my next cut. Here's my next cut. Now I can come back in here, get up against that edge, send that cut that way. Just for what they would say, a little latitude. And send that cut that way. Chewy, Chewy, Chewy. You're on camera, Chewy. Say hi to your people. Hola, compadres. You're on camera. Say hola.
Hola, ¿cómo están?
Bien, tú. Say hello to your familia. Familia.
Familia.
Familia. Say hi to Jonathan. Say hi to your esposa, your niños, your niñas. Say hola. Come on, man. Get active. It's on YouTube.
Hola, everybody.
Esto es Chuy or Jesus.
Jesús.
Jesus.
Jesús.
Jesus. He's a painter. He paints cars for a living. If your family's watching, I know your dad. I know what he does in the daytime. And if he's not nice, I'm going to tell on him. So anyway, that's how you do that. And then you slip that down. You slip that down over the bolt and tighten it up, and it fills that gap up on that fender. And it will be good. So that if it doesn't follow the curve, you can get up here and you can give it a slice so it lays down, and that would be the next step. So that's that. Gotta go. Bye.